YouTube, another package. I guess I'll open it up right now and see what's in it. Okay, these are from my mom's band. V-Power spark plugs, 6 of them. Still waiting on my other package to come, but this is for my mom's minivan that I bought for her. I'm going to make a video of me giving it a tune-up. I'm going to have to take the intake manifold off so I can get to the back plugs. But I'm going to change the wires, plugs, ignition coil, taking the top plenum off the intake manifold, putting it back on, and some other work I'm going to do to it. Just a quick little something to show you how to do it. But some more unboxing videos are going to be here in a minute or two. Still waiting on the FedEx package.